Hello, everybody. And I've just been called to, make time to make this video. But I'm literally asking myself, what is the reason why would I make a video right now? And now that I know that I later want to have a devotional and I'm going to worship God once more. We get to worship God, we get to learn more things about how Jesus lived, how to become a better Christian, or even just living my life. How to live my life that is fully surrendered for God. And sometimes it's hard to get that mindset that you are living for the Lord. Because for so long I've lived my life for myself. I've lived my life, just for the sake of all the things, just for the goodness of myself. It's just me. It's selfish. But as soon as I became a disciple of Christ, of Jesus, as soon as I met Jesus, in my journey right now as a disciple, I've come to learn that it's hard to not have God. It's hard to not have Jesus in my life. There's so many times that I try to do things my own way. I try to fix things in my own way, but it never went the way that I wanted it to be. It was a completely off track. It went completely off track. It just became a way for me to struggle more. But now that I have God, I fully surrendered my life to Him. Suddenly, those burdens became lighter. As I surrender everything to God, as I surrender everything that I am to Him, those burdens that have haunted me, that have traumatized me, has become so much lighter. And maybe you're watching this right now, but not as a coincidence, but God calling you. But as God calling you to come to Him, to have Him as your God, as the Lord of your life. And I invite you to come closer to God, to know God, to learn more about Him, to dedicate your life, to surrender your life for the Lord God Almighty. And this is the good news. As we believe, as we love, as we believe that Jesus Christ is King, Jesus Christ has risen from the dead, we get to have an everlasting life. A life away from evil, a life up there in heaven with God, worshiping God. And someday, as I watched something, we're going to have this supper